だいま。ちょっと待ってね。これがお買い物に行った。これもあとこれもただいま。疲れた。皆さんこんばんは。日本にいるルーナでございます。今日の服装をちょっと紹介したいと思います。Hello everybody, I am home. I kind of want to show you what I'm wearing today. So, I made some new friends and I'm really excited and they're super sweet and you probably can't see my face, but they were getting rid of some clothes and then they were like, well, do you want to try them on? And so this says Coca-Cola on it, but I'm kind of frazzled right now because I have been out of the house. What time is it? It is about 7:30 right now, and I left at around 8 this morning because for the first time ever I went and I actually got my nails done. It's too bad that there isn't sunlight because Saki light does them no justice. But I'm so excited. So I usually do my own nails. なんか初めにネイルサロンに行って、でもなんか普通にいつも自分のネイルをするから、これはすっごく珍しかったんですけど。I'm so excited. Oh, I have so much energy and I need to eat some food. Okay, let's take off my shoes. Anyway, I'm wearing my kitchen stream dress, which we haven't had a kitchen stream in such a long time. And Thursday, tomorrow, is Thanksgiving, but there's no Thanksgiving here. But last Thanksgiving, I did a kitchen stream where I made a turkey. Crazy. Anyway, so I actually, because today was a holiday in Japan, of which really I should research what holiday it was. なんか今日はなんだった？なんか休みだったけど理由が全然知らないんですけど、後でちょっと調べてみたいと思うんですけど、もしなんか11月23日のなんかお休みの理由が知ったら教えてくれませんか？If you know why it was a holiday today on 11/23, feel free to let me know. I'm not taking off my shoes, but so I wore these today, and let's see how many steps I walked. Da-na-na. Here's the grand reveal. Da-na-na. I actually don't know either. No. 21,491 steps in these shoes, which admittedly they're quite comfortable, although that many steps in shoes without support is inevitably not very good for your feet. So I think I have to be a bit more protective of my body. I also I tend to carry way too much with me. Oh, I only have 18 minutes of recording time. Also, I think my phone is at 6. That's my so I gotta keep this short. But anywho, look at I just am so excited. Anywho, I need to cook some food. 今からなんか今日何食べたの？なんか今朝おにぎり作ってなんかネイルした後になんかおにぎり食べたんですけど、かわいい。いや じゃあここにおやすみなさい。でもね、なんかあとはすっごく美味しかったアイス食べた。すっごく美味しかった。いすずさんのおかげで美味しいアイス食べた。じゃあ本当になんかちょっと遅いからあと1時間半ぐらい寝なくちゃいけないから、あとは漢字も勉強しなくちゃいけないし、じゃあどうしよう。カレー作りましょう。 OK、I had a nice day. Oh, anyway, so it was a holiday, so I decided, why don't I just buy the all-you-can-ride train pass? Since it's 600 yen. And I spent the day hopping train stations. But I realized this way too late. I have an idea for a video in the way future. Okay, bye. Oh, wait. But thank you for watching. この動画を見てくれてありがとうございます。もし好きだったらいいねボタンを押してください。あとありがとうございます。Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great day. I hope you didn't walk 21,491 steps in heels. But if you did, hopefully they had raspberries on them. Or strawberries on them. Or both. I found, actually, I think there was one day I walked 30,000 steps in these shoes. They're surprisingly comfortable. I'm actually not that surprised, because it's quite common here for very cute shoes to be quite comfy. But in comparison to another pair of shoes I actually got in Japan about 3 years ago, I think they're by the same brand even. Those ones are actually quite less comfortable. I wouldn't imagine I would be happy walking 21,000 steps in them. I had a good day. I gotta study. I hope you had a good day. And if you gotta study, I suppose we can go study. Bye bye.